What's up? Welcome to my channel. If you're a new visitor here, if you're a returning visitor, what's poppin'? My name is Shea. Thanks for stopping by. So today's video is gonna actually be a wig review. It's been a minute since I've done one of those on this channel. Not even just on this channel, period. But of course, I didn't choose the wig life. The wig life chose me. So even if I'm not posting videos about the wigs, I still have been wearing them. The only difference is I haven't been really rocking synthetic units. I've actually just been buying actual human hair. I don't know why. So I ordered this hair from NADULA Hair on the 8th of this month. It is the 12th now. It was actually scheduled to deliver yesterday on the 11th, but for some reason DHL, you know how DHL is, and if you don't know, DHL be tripping. So they said it was going to actually come yesterday. It hadn't updated, and then I got another text message saying that it was coming today. So it just comes in this black box. It comes with a pair of lashes. Now I've never actually used lashes that come with these little things like this because they really aren't necessarily like flattering to me, but this is the pair of lashes that it does come with. So it comes with a headscarf also. It just looks like it's Christmas themed. It also has, I'm guessing this is like some adjustable straps. I've never actually seen something like that. It has like clasps on it. So this is kind of different for me, but it comes with two of those. So I'm guessing you just strap that to the back of your head, and it has some, okay, well they also, so it comes with two of these parts. It also has something that has like a little felt part on this side with more hooks on it. I don't know, I'm confused. Never seen anything like that, but I know that's the adjustable band part. And it comes with an additional comb for the wig. All right, so into the specs of this hair, what I ordered is the 13 by 4, 22 inches in the body wave. So this is what it looks like just straight in the pack. Let's go ahead and take it out. And if my hair doesn't seem to be the length that I ordered, I am good for pulling out measuring tape and actually ensuring that I am getting what I'm paying for. Straight out of the bag, it doesn't have any weird smells or anything. Smells normal. To me, it does look like it's 22 inches. It's just a very nice texture. Running my fingers through it, I'm not getting any type of tangling or anything of that sort, but again, it's straight out the pack, so I wouldn't expect any. So running my fingers through it, as you saw, I got a few strands of hair, but it's really not that bad. So as far as the wig construction on the inside, it is a lace wig, of course, with the 13 by 4 frontal part. It has 3 combs on the inside, as well as the adjustable straps at the back for you to adjust and let it be tighter and all that good stuff. As far as the lace goes, this is how it would appear. You can still see the knots a little bit, so I might go back in and bleach these knots. The lace doesn't look that bad, in my opinion. It's the knots. So I'm gonna have all the information down below regarding this wig. I paid $192, so I don't think that that's actually that bad considering the fact that this wig is a 22-inch wig. So let's go ahead and see what it looks like. All right, I know I just put this thing on any type of way, but wanted to show you guys what it looks like just straight on my head out of the pack. Haven't even, let me define a part because I'm playing. So what if I really just wore this hair like this with these long pieces like so? That'd be funny. This is how long it'll be if I were to just like straight iron it or something comes to my behind. Whew, I don't want to say that took some effort, but it took a little effort. So all I've done so far was cut the rest of the lace off, and I put some concealer in the part. This is not for perfection. This is just an initial review, initial unboxing. What is on my eye? So perfection is not my goal right this second. I'm just trying to make sure that it looks decent enough to have on this review, I guess. It's an initial unboxing, just trying to get that out there. So as of right now, I will say I do like this wig. It has potential. It still feels soft, still no tangling or anything of that sort, but the shedding thing, so I don't think the shedding will be necessarily a problem, but I can say that it might continue. We'll see how that goes. But as far as just my initial review, I think that this wig is really nice. I'll go in and pluck the part, and I guess I'll do an update video on how I get this looking nice once I actually get it to where I want it to be. Just as far as initial, I guess, thoughts go, I like this hair. I've done quite a bit of research on it. I wanted to make sure that I was familiar with what I was purchasing before I did so, and I think that this wig brand. Just overall, it just seemed that it was going to be what I wanted. So I can say just as of right this second, it has fit into my expectations. So I'm not going to say as of right now this is something you should buy, because of course this is the first time that I've worn this hair. I haven't tested it out with any heat, haven't tested it out with anything aside from me just literally putting it on. I did also have to spray some water in this part because it was a little bumpy, but I'm gonna charge that to the fact that I just got it out of the pack. Yeah, so as far as this goes, I like it so far. We'll see how it holds up when I add some like extra stuff to it, like the baby hairs and all that good stuff. But this is just for right now. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and leave me some comments down below. Also, if you have not already done so, go ahead and subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.